here? Who was not supposed to come? Outfit of the day. I just got a plain Jane outfit and ready to start our day. What is up, everybody? Let's go. It's kind of hard to drive with one freaking hand. Today we are gonna go to Azusa, my hometown. I'm starting to get hangry around here, so we just stopped by Tom's Super Burger and I'm ready to freaking grub. Let's get it. Bon appetit. Hello. Hi. Oh, hey. First time seeing this. Whoa, this is weird. Like, oh my god. The power steering though. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy.
You're driving it how like I was driving it.
Yeah.
You know how it would go like jolt forward?
Yeah.
And it was just, I don't know.
Whoa, this is crazy.
Yeah, it would scare me. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
See,
Like
it's easy to stall at first.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
You got it.
Yay! Let's go. Whoa. Yeah, we made it back alive.
She's
Let's
good.
go.
She's good.
Ah, oh my god. This journey. It wasn't bad at all. Well, like, it wasn't too bad. Well, that's cool.
Did you feel it?
Yeah, we kind of, what's it called? We made it crash into a curb.
No.
Yeah. Sorry.
Really?
He's
So sad.
super protective. He's super protective.
I couldn't keep it. No, we did it. I was just kidding. I just came up with that right now, actually. That would have been a good prank though. Okay, do you want me to turn it on for you first? Cause it has like, all right, so we're gonna let them drive it, guys. Let's go. Here, I'm gonna put it a little bit back for you.
Alright, let's see how this goes. I think I need to scoot back a little. It's pretty smooth actually. This shit's pretty low. Ooh, the welded diff. Pretty smooth. Oh yes. Nice. It's pretty smooth. I mean, this shit's pretty slammed on the floor, so. Woo! That shit got a little squirrely. Bro. Hey, that shit skirted second and everything.
Wait, what?
That shit skirted second?
Oh, yeah.
That shit's sick. Bro, I like it.
Hey, we got another Z.
Z Nation, I guess? Huh? Subi Nation? Z Nation? Probably the cleanest S13.
Z. Hey, we got another Z.
Good?
Hey.
What's up?
Whoa. Okay. Straight flexing on us. Damn. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is like my dream cars right here, guys. 240, 350Z Nelson. I don't know what he named his car though. We're going on a trip on our favorite rocket ship. Going through the sky. Little Einstein. Guys, we got the whole squad. It feels so good to be out right now. It feels so freaking good. I love this. Like it feels normal right now. It doesn't feel like we're in COVID-19, you know? Oh shit. Oh my god, look at that. Look how low he is. He has to do all that. I have to do the same thing. It's just funny like to see. Coast is clear. Coast is clear. Let's go. Woohoo! Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, look at this. I'll race you, fool. Just kidding. Just kidding. Come on, come on, come on. We want to see that. We want to see that drive. We want to see that drive. Okay, okay. Sheesh. This is one of the cleanest 240s I've seen. Is that a challenge? Okay, so we decided to go up like this little... What is this place? Oh, the view. We're here at the view. I've never been up here. The view's right here, actually. What are we talking about? Whoa, guys, does this make me a rebel? Because it says no trespassing. Cool, we're about to burn some calories right now. Ta-da! Look at this. I'm already out of breath.
Like
get money out of us, that's why. Oh, oh, okay, safety first. Hey, use the foot, use the foot. We saw a guy do like some crazy stuff on a bike, and we're gonna go up to him and record him because he's doing like some crazy stuff, guys. I just have to show you. Here he is. It's a stranger, guys. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. I do want to give a post notification shout out to drumroll please, Andres Torres. Thank you once again. You a real one. If you want a post notification shout out in my next video, then you guys know what to do. Turn the post notification bell and be the first to comment, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Emoji of the day is going to be a camera. So drop the cameras down below and I will be replying back to every single one of you guys. And I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Peace.